Worried AI is coming for your job? You see the headlines everywhere. Robots will replace millions of workers. It's a scary thought, right? Your career, your livelihood, everything you've worked for, suddenly at risk. But what if I told you that this wave of AI is also creating a massive, once-in-a-generation opportunity? What if, instead of being replaced, you could be one of the people who becomes even more valuable, more in demand, and yes, even wealthier because of AI? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal the 5 AI-proof career paths that aren't just safe, but are set to boom by 2030, and I'll tell you exactly how you can pivot into them starting today. This isn't about fear. It's about your future-proof strategy. Let's get one thing straight. AI is incredible at repetitive tasks, data analysis, and pattern recognition. It can write code, analyze medical scans, and even create art. So yes, jobs that are purely about information processing are at risk. But what can't AI do? It can't truly understand human emotion. It can't navigate complex, unpredictable social situations. It can't innovate with genuine, out-of-the-box creativity that stems from lived experience. And that is where our opportunity lies. We need to double down on the skills that make us uniquely human. The future isn't about competing with AI, it's about collaborating with it and doing what it can't. So, let's dive into our first AI-proof job category, the human connection specialists. Think about roles like therapists, executive coaches, and specialized elder care companions. Why are these safe? Because their core function is built on empathy, trust, and deep emotional intelligence. An AI can't replicate the feeling of being truly seen and heard by another person. A therapist doesn't just listen to words, they read body language, hear the hesitation in your voice, and build a relationship of trust over time. An elder care specialist provides not just physical assistance, but genuine companionship to combat loneliness, something no robot can truly offer. To get into these fields, you need to focus on developing your emotional intelligence. You can start by taking courses in psychology, communication, or counseling. Volunteering at a community center or a nursing home is also an incredible way to build these essential human-centric skills and see if this path is right for you. It's about leading with the heart, a territory where AI can't follow. Next up, job number 2, the complex problem solvers and strategists. This includes roles like renewable energy systems integrators, urban sustainability planners, and supply chain crisis managers. These jobs aren't about solving a single defined problem. They're about juggling dozens of constantly changing variables, social, economic, political, and technical, to create holistic solutions. Imagine designing a sustainable city. You're not just placing buildings on a map. You're considering traffic flow, public health, green space, water rights, community feedback, and future climate models. An AI can optimize one part of that system, but it can't yet strategize the entire messy, human-centric puzzle. To become a complex problem solver, you need to cultivate a multidisciplinary mindset. Don't just stay in your lane. Study systems thinking, take on project management roles, and constantly ask why and what if. Read broadly, from economics to sociology to engineering. The goal is to become the person who can see the entire forest when AI is only analyzing the individual trees. Our third untouchable career is the hands-on artisan and creator. I'm talking about master craftspeople like bespoke furniture makers, high-end chefs, landscape artists, and even specialized trades like historical restoration carpenters. The value here isn't just in the final product, it's in the story, the skill, and the unique human touch. You can 3D print a chair, but you can't 3D print the soul and character that a master carpenter puts into a hand-carved piece. You can get a recipe from an AI, but it can't replicate the intuitive palate and creative flair of a Michelin star chef who invents a new dish on the spot. These jobs are protected by what I call the authenticity moat. People pay a premium for things that are real, tangible, and made with human passion. If this appeals to you, the path is clear. practice. Apprentice under a master. Take classes at a local trade school or art center and build a portfolio that showcases your unique style and skill. Your hands and your creativity are your ultimate job security. Now for job number 4, and it's a big one. The AI and tech ethicists and governance professionals. As AI becomes more powerful and integrated into our lives, we need people who can act as the guardians of humanity. These are the individuals who ask the tough questions. Should an AI be used to make parole decisions? Who is responsible if a self-driving car has an accident? How do we prevent AI algorithms from inheriting and amplifying human biases? This field is exploding because every company, every government, and every institution using AI will need people to ensure it's being used safely, fairly, and ethically. An AI cannot audit its own morality. This requires a deep understanding of philosophy, law, sociology, and technology. To get into this field, you could pursue a degree in law with a tech focus or study philosophy or public policy. Certifications in AI ethics are also emerging. You'll be the crucial human conscience in the machine's world. Finally, we arrive at our 5th AI-proof career, the master communicators and experience weavers. Think about transformational educators, immersive experience designers, and top-tier brand storytellers. An AI can generate a lecture, but it can't inspire a classroom of students like a passionate teacher who adapts their style to the energy in the room. An AI can design a functional website, but it can't create a truly goosebump-inducing brand event that builds a lifelong community around a product. These jobs are about creating a feeling, an experience, and a connection. They blend creativity, psychology, and strategic communication to move people to action, to learn, and to feel part of something bigger. To excel here, you need to master the art of storytelling. Join a public speaking club like Toastmasters, take courses in marketing and creative writing, or learn about user experience, UX design. Your job is to be the conductor of the human experience orchestra, a role that demands a nuance and empathy AI simply doesn't possess. So there you have it. The human connection specialist, the complex problem solver, the hands-on artisan, the AI ethicist, and the master communicator. Notice the common thread? They all lean into skills that are fundamentally human: empathy, creativity, critical thinking, and physical craftsmanship. The future of work isn't a dystopian nightmare. It's an invitation to become more human, not less. The key is to stop trying to be a better machine and start focusing on being a better person. Identify which of these paths resonates with you and start taking small steps today. Learn a new skill, take a class, volunteer your time. Your career in 2030 and beyond won't be about being replaced by AI. It will be about being irreplaceable because of your humanity. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you a sense of hope and a clear direction for your career. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video on future-proofing your life. What other AI-proof jobs do you think will be huge? Let me know in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.